In this video, I will show you how to turn captions on and off on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now over here, I have the Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't really matter the type of Skyworth Smart TV you have, whether you have the Skyworth Google TV or the Skyworth Android TV. By the end of this video, I will show you the two ways to enable or disable captions or subtitles on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now for the first method, basically what you want to do is to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your Skyworth Smart TV. Go ahead and click on it, then just scroll down until you get to the system settings over here. And if you're using the Skyworth Android TV, you should see something like device preferences. Just go ahead and select it, or click on system settings if you're using the Google TV, just like so. Then click on accessibility. Now from here, you're going to see the captions option over here. Go ahead and select it. And to enable or turn on captions, you just want to go ahead and click on display, and automatically captions will be turned on your Skyworth Smart TV. As you can see over here, this is basically how the captions will be displayed on the TV. Now to turn it off, you can just go ahead and click on it again, and captions will be turned off or disabled. Now going further, you can also customize the display of captions on the TV. For instance, you can go ahead and change the language, you can go ahead and change the display, the style, the color, and every other thing that you might want your captions to look like on the TV. Now this is just one way to turn on or turn off captions on your Skyworth Smart TV. Another way to actually do this is to go ahead and turn on or turn off caption from the specific app you're using to stream on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now basically, you want to head over to the specific app you're streaming from. Like for instance, if I am streaming from YouTube over here, then I just go ahead and play any YouTube video on my Skyworth Smart TV. Basically, to turn on or turn off captions from the YouTube app, you just want to scroll upwards once, and then just scroll over to the CC icon at the top over here, which actually stands for closed captions. Go ahead and click on it, and automatically captions will be turned on for the YouTube app on your Skyworth Smart TV. To turn it off, you want to do the same thing. Scroll over to the top, come over to the icon again, click on it, and automatically captions will be turned off. So basically, you can turn on and turn off captions from the Skyworth Smart TV settings and from the specific app you're using to stream on your Skyworth Smart TV. You can go ahead and do this for the Netflix app, Prime Video, or just any streaming platform. Just go over to the settings of that particular application and then look for the closed captions or subtitle feature, and then just turn it on or turn it off directly from there. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.